Good evening, everyone. In the last videos, I think we had a very clear discussion about what are the various data structures which are available in Python. Next, and after that, we had a discussion about array module also. Sir, as a part of that array module, okay. So, how to install this array module? We are not required to install manually. By default, whenever you are installing Python, on the top of the Python, it is going to be installed automatically. And the module name which we are using for this is nothing but what? Array. And yesterday, I think last class, we have seen how to create arrays. So if you want to create the arrays, you must know what are the type codes that we are going to use. Because the main difference between array and list, when we are going for array, when we are going for list, see, if you want to collect different types of objects, then we are going for array, then we are going for list. Suppose I want to collect the same type of objects, whether it may be integers, means all the integer items I want to collect. If it is a floating point, all the floating point values I want to cover. If it is a string, I want to cover all the string objects. Like a group of similar type of elements where that type I am going to give in advance. So to represent that, we are going for type codes. Total how many type codes are there? I have explained very clearly in the last video how to print the existing list of type codes. In detail is not required, but among that which we are using is nothing but I stands for integer, F stands for floating point, U stands for string, like that. Okay. And the syntax for creating the array object is nothing but, since it is available in the array module, array dot array, two arguments we have to pass. The first argument is nothing but the type code, and the second argument is nothing but what? Initializer. Initializer in the sense whether it may be a list or range function, anything you can take, how you are going to take the data. That is the meaning of this initializer. Okay. And I think I explained some examples also. In the first example, we imported an array and we are creating an integer array with the elements 1 2 3 4 5. And whenever you are executing, what output we are going to get, we have seen. Simply take
Your voice is not audible.
sir, is my voice is not audible?
Yes, sir, it is lagging.
I request everyone to please confirm, is my voice is not audible?
Right now audible, sir.
Again, not audible, sir.
Please confirm every. Give me a minute.
And your voice is breaking. Sir, still your voice is cracking.
Yeah, please wait. Please wait. Please wait. Yeah, can you please confirm now? Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. Good. So now we will see, yeah, where we are discussing. Yeah. So I created an array, okay, with a string content. So since it is a Unicode characters, I am taking, and even so we can apply index concept, means you can apply index concept on array also, like how to get the first character, okay, next and after that how to get second character, how to get last character, even slicing also we can able to apply on this array module. These are the things which I covered in the last videos. Sir, now can I perform indexing? Yes, just we have seen introduction to array module. Next and after that, type codes, okay. So type codes in array module. So next and after that we have seen creation creation of arrays we have seen. So next and after that, so is indexing is applicable on arrays or not? Yes, same like list, string, tuple, we can apply this index concept even for array object also. That part also we have seen. Next and after that is slicing is allowed. Slicing, indexing on arrays we have seen. Next and after that, slicing on arrays also we discussed. Sir, now is it possible to joining two arrays? Sir, is it possible to join two arrays? Yes, happily we can. Sir, how to join two arrays? I will take example, and you know the operator, right? So here also plus is used for concatenation of two arrays. Let me check how it is going to work. So I'm taking a Python program. Okay, I'm taking a Python program. Already I'm taking one integer array. Let it be I. Okay, let it be I. So now the elements present in this array is nothing but something like 1, 2, 3 like this. And this is A1 and this is A2. I want to print A1. I want to print A2. Sir, now my requirement is I want to perform concatenation. I want to perform concatenation of these two arrays. Sir, how I can able to concatenate? Can I take A1 plus A2? Let us see what output we are going to get. If you run the program, you can see we are getting another array object where the elements present in the first array. I think I didn't change the elements. Let us take 4, 5. So the elements present in the first array, and then continuation for that the elements present in the second array. Both it is displaying. This is nothing but what, sir? Concatenation of two arrays. How you can able to perform concatenation of two arrays? With this you got clarity. Sir, similar to this, even you can apply multiplication also. Okay, multiplying. So two arrays, how you can multiply two arrays, sir? That part also we will discuss now. Sir, multiplying two arrays means what? No, not a two arrays. Multiplying arrays, not a two arrays, just multiplying array. That's all. Like that, we can keep the heading. Sir, multiplying array means what? So here, star is used to multiply. Okay, multiply or to repeat objects, to repeat the objects. So present in an array. In the array, how many objects are there? If you want to repeat, then we should go for this one. For example, consider I want to create a first array 2 times. Can I take A1 into 2? Now let us see what new array we are going to get. Sir, are you seeing the elements present in the first array is repeated how many times? 2 times. Similarly, I want to take A2 into 3 times. Second array objects I want to repeat 3 times. Like that, we can perform multiplication. Sir, something like repetition of array objects. This is nothing but how you can able to do. Sir, please confirm, is this indexing, slicing, and multiplying an array, multiplying array. Sir, is these two concepts are clear for you people? Please confirm.
Yes.
Sir, which one is good for accessing an element? Like we are having a two option of list and array.
I already told, right? The basic definition of array is nothing but it is going to collect a group of similar type of objects. So if you know the type of elements in advance, then better to go for array. If you want to mix different types of data, then better to go for list. Okay.
Then, sir, if we are storing integer, then accessing time will be less in array.
But a type safety you are getting, right? If you take list for that, you have an option to insert different types of data also.
Got it, sir.
Right. Now, sir, like list, is it possible to perform methods? Is it possible to perform various operations? Yes, we can perform various operations. So what is the first operation here I am explaining is nothing but, sir, insertion of an object into array. Sir, how you can able to insert an object into array? Similarly, sir, do you know extending array object? If you have an array object, how you can extend that part also we are going to discuss. So next, and after that, removing objects, so from a list, from an array. So if you have an array is there, from that array, if you want, you can remove the objects. How you can able to do that? So next, and after that, so counting, so number of repetitions, how many times it is repeated, that we can able to find. And then finding index of an object, how you can able to find index of an object. Next, and after that, so reversing an array, how you can able to reverse the array. Okay. And converting array to list. Sir, initially from list to array, how you can convert, that I explained already. So creation of arrays, so creation of arrays by using list. So from the list, how to create array, and from the array, how you can able to go for list. That part also we discussed very clear. These are the things what we are going to discuss. Sir, insertion of an object into array. For this, we have two syntaxes are there, same like list, sir. What is the first one? We have append method is there. Just we have to pass an object. So it is used to insert. It is used to insert an object at the end of array, sir. Okay, whatever array that you are giving. So it is going to insert at the end. If you want, you can take one example. So consider I have an array like this. So if you print array, it is going to return all the elements. Sir, what are the elements that we have? 1, 2, 3, something like that. Now, sir, a dot, I'm using append of okay, 5, append of 5, and append of 15, and append of 55. Like that I'm taking. Sir, beginning, what are the elements? Can I say, is it 1, 2, 3? Now, what are the elements present in the array here, sir? Sir, it is not list. Just for convenient, I am writing in this style. 5 and then 15 and then 55. Sir, these objects will be added at the ending or not? Yes, definitely you can see. So 5, 15, 55 are added at ending. Similar to this, if you want, you can add at your position also. Okay, for that we have another method is there with name insert, where you need to provide the object and then index. You know already, right? So it is used to insert an object at the given index value. Whatever index value that you are giving, it is going to add the object at that particular position, sir. Okay, let us take one example. Sir, now in this array, I want to insert 999 here. Can you please tell me what is the index value of that particular location, sir? Can anyone tell me what is the index value?
4.
So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, good. 4 is nothing but the. So if you insert like that in the fourth location, that 999 is going to be added. This is the way how you can perform which operation? Insert operation. Sir, I'm okay with insert. Extending array object. Sir, extending array object means what? You know very well. So if we have a list, okay, if you have a list, or if you have a tuple, okay, or if you have something like a string, these are called as iterable objects. These are called as what? Iterable objects. By using that iterable objects, we can iterate, sir. Okay, sir, I will explain the syntax for this. So extend within bracket, you can give iterable object. So it is used to extend the array with iterable object. That's all. So I will take one example. Whatever example I have taken for list, same example I am taking. So consider here I have some extra objects are there, like W is equal to ABC. Okay, X is equal to something like 4, 5, 6. So next Y is equal to something like 7, 8, 9. Okay, like that. And Z is equal to something like 111, 222, 333, 444. Like this I have. Sir, can I extend the list? Yes, sir. Already 1, 2, 3 is there. A dot extend of W I am taking. Now see what output we are going to get. Sir, string object cannot be interpreted as integer. Why? Because internal content is what, sir? String, right? But is it possible to append to this? No. Why? Because it is array. It can able to hold only integer type of objects. Sir, let us try by taking 888. Is it going to accept? No. That's why we can't able to take from the string, sir. Okay, hope you got the point. Now, sir, can I take extend of X? Now you can see that 4, 5, 6 got added or not? Yes. Sir, can I extend Y? Yes, Y is also a tuple, right? Now see what will happen. Yes, we can able to open. Can I extend Z, sir? Yes. So this is the way, sir, how we can able to perform extending operation. Sir, extending operation means what? If you have already an array is there, we can extend some properties to that, extend some objects. But please make sure, except string, everything we can take. Why string is not allowed? Because we can't able to convert the string into integer. Here we created an array to hold only integer type of objects. Friends, are you clear with this approach, whatever I explained up to this insertion? Is it clear?
So, sir, this is the only difference between list and array when it comes to like adding up elements, right?
Yes, yes.
Got it.
These methods are there in the list also, but that
Yes.
will support for any type of object. But here, so based on your inserted, based on your array type, it is going to act. But the methods are same. Suppose if you created an array for floating point, append function will work, but the argument which you have to pass is floating point.
Okay.
Yeah, everyone please confirm, clear up to this.
Sir, can you please show the test.py file? Yes, sir. Sir, in print section, can we get only a list format like we are getting array and parentheses as well as getting a type code? Can we get only a list?
We have a function. We have to convert it into list. Then only you will get. This is the output format because
Yes,
it is.
I want to win that.
Yeah, you need only this one, right? For that we have to go for list function. I will explain.
Okay.
Right. So this is nothing but how you can able to extend the array object. Next and after that, removing objects from an array. How to remove the objects from an array, sir? Very simple. For this, two approaches we have. What is the first approach? If you have a index value, what will happen? And if you know the element, what? will happen. So if you know the element, then we have remove method is there. We have to pass the object which you want to remove. So it is used to remove. It is used to remove the given object from an array. Please remember. So the argument what you are passing is not index. It is nothing but an object. Suppose consider I have an array is there. Okay. So like a triple one. Okay. Then triple two. So then triple three, then triple four, then triple five. Like this we have. So if you print also, what output we are going to get? The same, but it will be written in the form of array. Now my requirement is I want to remove one object. Sir, how to remove? A dot remove of I am taking triple three. Can I say in the next line that triple three won't be there, right? Yes, definitely it is going to remove. If you want, you can see. Is that triple three got removed or not? Yes. This is the way how you can able to perform removal operation. Sir, next and after that. Okay, next and after that. Can I remove the object which is not existed? Now see what output we are getting. Array dot remove. X is not in array. Something like that we are going to get. Okay, this is nothing but how we can work with this remove operation. Next. So in this line we are going to get value error. Sir, next, if I know the index, we have pop method is there. Okay. So it is used to remove uh, an object from given index. So the default value is nothing but what, sir? -1. If you are not giving any pop value, I mean pop of index value, it will always remove from the ending. If you want, you can see. Sir, I am taking a dot pop, something like this. I am not passing any index value. So which element it is going to remove? The last element, because the default value for this pop is nothing but always, this index value is nothing but always -1. Sir, I don't want this. I want to remove triple two. Where it is available? Can I say it is available in 108th location, first location? Yes. Now you can see that triple two is also gone. So this is the way how you can perform removal operation. Okay. How to add the content and how to remove the content we have seen. Now I want to perform counting. How many objects are there? How many times it is repeated? I want to count. For that we have count function is there. Just we have to pass the object. So what it is going to do? It is used to count. It is used to count the number of occurrences, of given object. Okay, whatever object that you have given, how many times it is repeated, it is going to return. Beyond that, nothing. For example, consider I have some array is there. Okay, like a 10. So 20, 30, again 10, 20, again 10. So again 40, 50, something like this. Now, if you print array, what will happen? Total array will be printed. Now I want to count how many times 10 is available. My expected answer is 3 times. How many times 20 is available? I think only 2 times. How many times 30 is available? I think only 1 time. How many times 40 is available? Only 1 time. 50, 1 time. 60, sir, 0 times. 0 times. Like that we are going to get. If you want, you can see. 321110. 32110. Okay, this is the way how you can able to count how many times it is available. Next and after that, finding index of an object. Sir, how to find index of an object? For that we have one method is there. Same like in the list we have covered, right? Same, we have index method is there, which is going to take one object and it returns number of times. Okay, it returns index of the given object. Let us take one example. Sir, I have an array with 10, 20, 30. Okay, so 50 and then 40, something like this I have taken. Now I want to find out index of 10. Where it is available? It is available at 0th location. Okay, it is available at 0th location. Sir, I want to search for 40 where it is available 0, 1, 2, 3, 4th location. It is available at 4th location. Let me check. So now if we are trying to search for an element which is not available, sir, we are getting array.index x is not there in the array. Something like we are getting which error, sir? Value error, and this is the message. Okay, sir, I think these operations like counting, okay, next and after that finding index of an object. Is it clear for you people? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Respond. Right. So the next operation, okay, reversing an array. Sir, I want to reverse the elements present in the array. How you can do? For that, we have one special function is there with the name reverse. Reverse. What it is going to do? It reverse the elements. It reverse the elements. So present in a array. Let us take one example. I am printing this array 2 times, but I will perform this reverse operation. Now see what output we are getting. Are you seeing any difference? In the first array, we have the objects like 10, 20, 30, 50, 40. In the second object, we have an array with elements 40, 50, 30, 20, 10 like that. So is the object got reversed or not? Yes, this is the way how you can perform which operation? Reverse operation. Okay, this is nothing but, sorry. This is nothing but how you can able to reverse the elements present in an array. Next and after that, sir, converting. Okay, converting an array into list. Initially, we have seen how we converted. So from the list to array. Sir, is it possible to do the reverse operation? Yes, why can't? Happily we can do. Sir, how you can able to perform that operation? For example, consider the same thing. I am taking A and then type of A. Sir, what output we are going to get? The elements in the array is nothing but like this, and it is of type array. Sir, can't we convert this into a list? Like L is equal to, we can take A dot to list. Automatically what will happen? It will be converted into list. If you print L and then type of L, the target value is nothing but a to list. Sorry, sir, it is not Java. So to list, L is a small letter. Now you can see beginning it is an array. Now we converted into list, but this is different object, this is different object. So from list we can create an array, and from array we can create a list like that. So these are nothing but various important things that we have in which module? Array module. I hope everyone got a clarity about the array module whatever we have. So any doubts friends on this array module, please confirm. I request everyone to please confirm. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have one query. Can we convert the array to the tuple, like list?
Yes, madam. I think we have the method to tuple something like that.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right. So
Sir, I have a doubt. Sorry, pardon. Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, see, when we were concatenating two arrays, okay. The first parameter which we gave like integer I you gave, okay. Suppose we can't change the first parameter to any other parameter, right? Like means we have to give the same type of means like if it is integer, then we have to give number. If it is a floating point, we have to means point something is there, then we have to give f like that way. Is it right?
yes, compulsory. whenever you are working with array, type is very
Very
important.
important. Okay, got it, sir, got it.
Right, sir. So the next module what we have here is, sir, we have string module is there. Okay, we have string module. There is one predefined module is there with the name string. Sir, what important things are there on this string module? Nothing is there, sir. Just I am going to give introduction to string module, introduction to string module. Next, and after that, sir, list of, okay, so list of identifiers in string module. That's all. Not more than that. Not more than that. With the help of this, you can develop some applications, maybe application 1, application 2, application 3. Like in the first application, I'm going to count, so number of, okay, number of uppercase characters in string, like that we can. So in the second application, I want to count, okay, I want to count number of, okay, number of digits, so in the string, number of digits in the string. In the third application, I want to check whether the given string is a hexadecimal string or not. Like that, just one small applications we will develop. Now let us go for this string module. Sir, nothing is there, you'll enjoy this class. Sir, string module in the sense, so for the flexibility, okay, to provide flexibility for the programmers, Python introduced, okay, Python introduced string module. Okay, sir, what is the advantage of, what is a, sir, two-dimensional arrays? I already told, it is represented by using nested list. Okay, and in depth, if you want, we have pandas, numpy libraries are there, right? There we need to focus. So to provide flexibility for the programmers, Python introduced this string. And what is the module that you have to use? It is nothing but a string, and it is inbuilt module. We are not required to install anything explicitly. Okay, sir, how to check whether it is working or not? Import a string. If you run the program, if you are not getting any error, that module is available perfectly. This module is available. Next, list of identifiers. Sir, what identifiers are there in the string module? Very simple. I will explain parallelly program also. Have a look once. The first identifier is nothing but ASCII, ASCII underscore letters. What it is going to do? Sir, first I will show you. So print of, these are identifiers, string dot ASCII underscore letters, like this. If you take, sir, what output we are going to get, you can see. Sir, is it printing all the lowercase and uppercase characters? Yes. So what is the meaning of this? It is going to give list of, okay, list of all lower and uppercase characters. Sir, I don't want lowercase, uppercase. I need only lowercase. Then we can go with L dot lowercase. What it is going to do? It will return list of all lowercase characters. ASCII underscore we can give uppercase. What it is going to do? It is going to list of all uppercase characters. It will return. Sir, can I check it? Yes. So ASCII underscore lowercase, ASCII underscore we have to take uppercase, like this. If you want, you can see. Sir, is it returning all the lowercase characters? Yes. Is it returning all the uppercase characters? Yes. Like that, we have string module which will provide support for all the lowercase characters and all the uppercase characters, whatever we have. Sir, now I want to only digits. Okay, I want only digits. Sir, we have a function is there, we have an attribute is there, sorry, identifier called digits. It is going to list out. It is going to list out. So all the digits, so which are present in our programming. Sir, what digits will be there? 0 to 9. You know, right? You can see 0 to 9. Like that we have. Sir, then what I am going to do is print off, sir, string dot. We have one more special function is there, sir, hexa digits or hex digits. What it is going to do? It will list out so all the digits and the characters in hexadecimal number system. Sir, HEXDIGITS. Now you can see. I think you know 0 to 9, either small a to small f or capital A to capital F. Like that we are going to have. Sir, even we have white space is there. So it is going to return list out all the white spaces what we have. Sir, white spaces in the sense which things will come? Maybe space character, next and after that tab space, so new line character, all these things. But anyway, since those are spaces, it is unable to return. Okay, it is unable to return anything. Sir, even if you want, you can print special symbols. That is called as punctuation. So it is going to list out. So all the special characters in programming, or I can say keyboard. So what special characters are there, sir? Just we have to use the word called punctuation. Like this, if you take, you can see what output we are going to get. Are you seeing all the remaining symbols came into the picture? So you are not required to write any manual condition. So if you want to check any one of these, simply we have to import that string module. So try to check whether the given data is available in any one of these. But once if you see the application, so you will get clarity, sir. Can you please confirm everyone? Are you clear with this, whatever I told?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Right. Right, sir. So next we will see the next one. Like I want to develop some applications. What is the first application? I want to count number of uppercase characters in the given string. We have to read a string and we need to count how many uppercase characters are there. How to implement? Sir, can I read a string from the user? Yes. String s is equal to input of, I am asking enter any string. Then what we have to do? I am going to take a count is equal to initially 0. I will get each and every character from the string. I will get one by one character, sir. If that character is in, string dot, which thing we are checking? Uppercase character. Sir, string dot ASCII underscore uppercase. If it is there, then count plus is equal to 1. That's all, sir. Finally, so I am printing. So number of uppercase characters. Okay, so so that particular string yes is. So what is that count, sir? Just we have in that count variable. That's all. Sir, now I am giving enter any string. I am giving K Prakash Babu, something like that. Sir, number of characters present in the string K Prakash Babu is 3. Is it correct? K is the capital letter, P is the capital letter, Babu is the capital letter. Like that we are getting. So if you want, you can print this string in the single quotation for convenient purpose. Now you can see. So this is the way how we can able to count the number of uppercase characters in the given string. This is the first application. Okay. Now, what is the second application, sir? I want to count the number of digits in the given string. How many digits are there? I want to count. Is it the same like this or not? Yes. In this place, what we have to do? We have to take the digits. So number of digits in the given string is nothing but like this we can count. Let me cross check. Okay. Sir, I'm giving ABC. Okay. ABC 123 at the rate. So Yahoo. Okay. Yahoo mail.com, something like this I have given. How many digits are there, sir? 3 digits are there. Okay, automatically it will check. We are not required to check manually because that string module contains this particular flexibility, right? Happily we can able to do. Sir, are you clear with these two small applications, whatever I explained? Please confirm.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
confirm everyone?
Yes, clear.
Right. Sir, next one. What is the third application? We have to check whether the given string is hexadecimal string or not. We have to check whether the given string is hexadecimal string or not. So here I'm going to read the data. Sir, in these cases, better to go for functional programming. Why I'm using functional programming? You will get clarity. Okay. Now observe carefully. So we have to check whether the given string is hexadecimal or not. Okay. So the given string is this one. Is hexadecimal. Is hexadecimal. What is the output that we are getting? I will call a function by passing the string. That function will return whether it is a hexadecimal string or not. What that function is going to do is it will take a string and each and every character present in the string I am taking. If that character is not in, if that character is not in string dot hexadecimal digits, then immediately I will return false. Otherwise, I will return true, sir. This is nothing but the logic trick what we have to apply. Sir, how it is going to work? Can you please take one example and then explain? Yes, definitely. For example, consider I'm giving the number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it a hexadecimal digit? Yes. Sir, what will happen? It will take the first character 1. Is it not there in this particular hex digits? No. In the hex digits, 0 to 9, small a to small f, capital A to capital F, all characters will be there. Sir, 1 is not there in this. No, it is there. So if condition never. Okay. Then second character, third character, fourth character, all the characters are there, but never this if condition is going to be satisfied. That's why it will return. So if you take so 1, 2, 3 x5, then what will happen? 1 is not there. No. 2 is not there. No. 3 is not there. No. Sir, x is not there. Yes. In this x is not there. Immediately return false. No need to check further. Okay. If I am taking 1, 2, 3, so a5, what will happen? 1 is not there. No. 2, it is there. Not in will return false. Sir, 3, not in is going to return false. Sir, a, it is there. 5, it is there. So this if condition never satisfied. So it is a hexadecimal. If you want, we will check whether is these things are going to work or not. So if you want, I will provide here itself the input. Otherwise, better we will read dynamically from the user. That will be fine. Otherwise, here itself you can provide. What is the string that I am giving is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the first string. Okay. Second string 1, 2, 3 x5. Third string a5. Okay. So fg like this I will take. So what is the string that we are passing here? We have to pass this string as it is. So here in this place, so in the place of 4, I am taking X. In the place of 4, I am taking A. In the place of 4, I am taking F. Here I am taking G. Sir, what is the expected output? Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, definitely it is going to return. Is it hexadecimal or not? Yes, it is going to return true. Sir, what about next one? It is going to return false. What about next one? It is going to return true. What about next one? It is going to return true. What about last one? False. So second one and the last one is false. Remaining things are going to return true. Sir, am I right? Oh, it is asking for a string. I think we are not required to supply any string. You can see. So true, false, true, true, false. Like this we are getting. Okay, this input is not required. This is the way how you can able to develop this small application. Everyone feeling comfortable up to this whatever I covered?
Yes.
Yes, please confirm everyone. Clear up to this whatever I covered?
Yes.
Right. Sir, next application. Okay, next example program. What we are going to discuss here is, sir, two more examples I will cover. Application number 4. Sir, I want to convert each word, first character into uppercase. This is nothing but my requirement. I want to convert each and every word first character into uppercase. Sir, how to do that? Sir, do you know we have multiple approaches are there for this. Let us take string is equal to, I have a string like welcome to Python programming. Welcome to Python programming. Like this I have. Sir, can I take yes dot title? Yes dot title. First, let me print yes, and then I'm going to take so print of yes dot title. What this title is going to do? It will convert each and every word first character into capital letter. If you want, you can see. Sir, is it converting every word first character into capital? Yes. This is one way what we have. Sir, I can say this is nothing but the first version what we have. We can do this in another way. Okay, we can do this in another way. Uppercase, I can say it is nothing but version 1. So we have another version is also there. So what is that another version? What is another version here we have? Sir, do you know you can do it manually? What is that manual? Sir, I'm going to take a list. Whatever string is there, I'm going to split based on space. So that what will happen? I will get a list. Okay, I will get a list. Sir, in that list, sir, what we can do? Let me print this list. Sir, what it is going to do? You can see we got a list with each and every character, each and every word. But from this, I want to develop another list by using list comprehension. So I will take each and every, for each I value in L, I am going to take one by one item and I am going to take here. Now I want to print LL because my focus is on LL. Now please see what will happen. Sir, whatever elements are there in this, I am taking as it is. But my requirement is I want to convert only first character into capital letter. I want to convert only first character. Only first character got converted, right? I want remaining characters as it is. How to get, sir? Can I take I of 1 colon? That's all. It is going to combine. It is going to concatenate remaining characters. You can see we have a words where every character got converted into uppercase. Then what we can do? Sir, we have an option, right? We can create a string, okay, by taking space dot join of LL. So take each and every element from this list and join with the space. So it will return a data in the form of string. Sir, have you observed? Is every word first character got converted into uppercase or not? Yes. This is the another way what we have. Sir, everyone understood this logic? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, still if you want, you can reduce the number of instructions here. Still, if you want, you can reduce the number of instructions here. How you can reduce? If you want, you can say, sir, in the place of this L, since only one time you are using, can I take like this? Yes, definitely we can take, so that we can remove. And LL, how many times you are using? Only one time. Sir, can I take this entire thing in the place of LL? Yes, happily we can. Have you observed? Like this also we can. Okay. Welcome to Python programming. So by Prakash, something like this I am taking. Now you can see. Sir, is every word first character got converted into uppercase or? Yes. This is nothing but one, sir. And the same application, we have another version is there. Okay, what is that version? Is application number 6. What is this third version here? Sir, in the strings class, there is one predefined module is there like string, I told, right? In this string module, there is one special function is there. What is that function is, sir, do you know cap words, which will take the given string, and this cap words method is implemented in the string module. It will return automatically, sir. Let me take, so by Prakash Babu, something like that. Sir, is it giving every word first character as a capital letter? Yes. So total how many ways are there to solve this problem, sir? 3 ways are there. What is the first way? By using title case. What is the second way? You can implement by your own methods. Like you can take splitting of the string, and you can combine that string. Like that, we have different approaches are there. And what is the third way? This string module is providing, sir, cap word, something like that, which is going to do this operation. Okay, like total how many ways are there, sir? Total 3 ways are there. Can you please confirm everyone? Is all these concepts, whatever I explained, is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Please give confirmation. Is it
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but what we have about string module. Okay, just I have given introduction to string module, and we covered some applications on this string module. Okay, so hope it is very clear for you. Sir, with this, sir, do you know string module got completed? Now we are going to focus on the programs. Okay, like I'm going to cover these in this format: list programs. Maybe list, or I can use the word called array programs. List or array programs. After these, sir, matrix related programs we are going to see, just to improve your programming skills. So after that, we are going to see string programs. So maybe these 3 days we are going to spend to cover programs on this. Okay, so let us start today. So list programs, around we have some 25 to 30 programs are there. Let us spend some time to discuss about these things. Sir, are you ready? Can I start?
Definitely, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Right. So let us start the programming, sir, one by one. So what is the first program here that I am going to explain for you is, Sir, basic, I want to read some list of objects from the user and I want to display those elements on the screen. That is nothing but my requirement. Sir, in some cases, I'm going to explain by using predefined function, and sometimes I'm going to take direct. So yeah, let us take one by one programs, whatever we have. So the first program, I want to read and write, sir, elements, okay, read and write list elements. I want to read a list, sir. I want to read a list and I want to write that list. Means what, we have to print the elements present in the list. That is nothing but my requirement. Sir, for this, which function we are going to use? We are going to normal eval function we can use, but I am talking specifically about list, right? So we can read by using normal values and you can append to the list, or directly you can go with eval function. Better, it will be easy for us if I use eval. Sir, I'm taking L is equal to just eval of, so input of, I'm asking, so enter list of elements. So but please make sure that try to use only similar type of elements so that we can perform some basic operations very flexibly. Sir, print list, and then I'm taking type of list. Okay, and in how many ways we can print this, sir? There are three ways are there. In the first way, what we are doing in the first way, directly we are printing. Okay, directly we are printing, so directly we can print here. Sir, in the second way, please make sure that we have to use index concept here. Sir, for that I'm using while loop. Index is equal to 0 until while index value is less than length of the list, and we can print L of I. This is another way. What is a third way? Sir, I don't have index concept. Directly I want to concentrate on index. So sorry, directly element. Then we can go with for each loop, for each loop. So multiple ways are there. For each I value in the list, directly we can print I. So in any one of this way, when we will go for first one, just for flexibility purpose. Suppose if you want to perform any operation based on index, better to go for second approach. Okay, so if you are performing any operations based on the elements, not index, better to go for third approach. Now I'm giving some elements like a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Sir, what will happen? You can see, sir, it is infinite loop. Why? Because here you can see I didn't incremented the value of I by 1 unit, so that it is going to rise infinite loop. Now you can see, sir, I am giving 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, something like this. Sir, are you seeing? It is printing directly. It is printing index wise. It is printing by using element wise. So this is nothing but how you can able to read and how you can able to write the elements present in the array. Is the first program. Is it clear for you people?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Sir, the second program, I want to calculate sum of elements so present in a list. In a list, I have a list is there. I want to calculate sum of the elements. Sir, up to this same, right? But there are two ways are there, because in list we have already some function is there. Just if you pass the value, it is going to return. This is one. What is another way is I want to implement manually. I will take a function. Okay, so in that function what we are doing, I'm going to define a function which will take a list. Initially sum is equal to 0. Since we are not performing the operation based on index, I will get each and every element present in the list. I will try to add that item to the sum, and at last I am going to return that sum. This is nothing but one way. Sir, enter list of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can see the sum of elements in both the cases is nothing but what? 21, 21. Like that we are going to get. This is the way how you can calculate sum of elements. In
Sir,
this
here item is a keyword or you are using a variable name?
no, it is not a keyword. It is nothing but just variable like
Okay.
I. So we have another way is also there. That is nothing but by using, I think if you understand that tuple comprehension is there. Sir, do you know I'm going to get each and every element from the list. So I, for each I value in the list. Sir, later I will explain why I am using this procedure. It is nothing but I am creating a new list from the given list. What is that new list? Every element from that list I am going to take. Beyond that, nothing, sir. Okay. So anyway, I will show you why I have taken this in the next example. This is the way what we are going to get. Sir, sum of elements present in the list I explained very clearly. Sir, next program is, sir, I want to calculate, okay, I want to calculate, so sum of even elements and sum of odd elements, okay. So I want to calculate sum of even elements in the list, sum of even elements in list, okay. Similarly, I want to calculate a sum of odd elements in the list. Sir, how you can able to do that? Sum of odd elements. I think you know there is no predefined formulas for this. That's why we can't use this one. But here, sir, can I filter that even elements from the list? This is nothing but already we discussed. In the function, just we have to check is that item is even or not. If it is even, then only try to add. Otherwise, don't add. Like that we can take. Now let us run the code. So now I am giving like this. So sum of even elements is what? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. We are going to get like this. This is the way how you can able to add sum of even elements present in the list, sir. Sir, how to add odd elements sum? Same like this program, but the only modification is not equal to. And here also we have to take not equal to. That's all. Automatically it is going to read the list and it is going to calculate a sum of odd elements. Okay. I think you people got some idea how we can able to work with this. Okay.
Sir,
Can you
bitwise also it will work, right? Bitwise, no?
we can use.
Mhm.
Sir, is this first 4 programs related to the list? Is it clear for you people, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir. Sir, but the bitwise method would be very difficult, but it will take up lots of spaces. Because you are using a bitwise operator, then for each element, I have to convert them into a bits.
No. You go and read the R10 search the 350 classes. He has explained it in a very easy way, and it is not time consuming. I have searched it.
Yeah, in the demo session somewhere I covered that program, sir. Even we have bit manipulations chapter is there. There also I will explain, because so in the 4th line, if you do one small modification, that is sufficient. Okay.
Means the LSB would be 0, then it would be even. Then we will add that
Yes.
element.
Right, sir. Sir, next program. What is the next program here is program number 5. Sir, do you know here the next program is I want to find out average of elements in a list. So I want to find out average of the elements. How you can find average of the elements? Sir, it is something like sum of the elements only. But what modifications we have to do, sir? How many number of elements are there that we have to take? Sir, can I take return s by length of the list? So here also we are printing L, sum we are calculating divided by length of the list. How many elements are there? So you know very well, average means what? The total sum of the elements divided by how many elements are there. Here average element, average is nothing but what for that list? 2.0. Like that we can able to get. So simple formula, sir, just we have used sum divided by the number of elements like this. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Now, sir, I want to generate, my next requirement is I want to generate, sir, even elements and odd elements. I have to generate even elements. Generate. So even and odd elements between the intervals n1 and between the intervals n1 and n1 and n2. Okay, so they are going to give two numbers like n1 and n2. We have to generate, sir. N1 is equal to integers. N1 is nothing but, so enter n1 value, something like this I am asking. So n2 is equal to int of input, so enter n2 value, something like this I am taking. Okay, sir, what we are calling, better I will call a function which will take these two values like n1 and n2, and it is going to return a tuple or list, something like that, where it is going to have even elements from n1 to n2, odd elements from n1 to n2. Sir, how to do that? Very simple, sir. Can I take a function? Okay, can I take a function? So like this, and I'm going to take, so this function is going to take n1 comma n2. Sir, now I'm going to take a tuple one. Okay, otherwise list one is equal to, sir, do you know, I'm going to take I for each I value in the range of n1 comma n2 plus 1. So when, if the value of I percentage 2 is equal to 0, sir, can I say I am collecting the values, each and every value from this range of values? What is the range of values? N1 to N2. But whenever I am collecting, I am checking whether it is a even or not. If it is even, I am collecting only such type of elements. Sir, same thing we can take like this also. So to collect odd elements, sir, after this, can I return L1 comma L2? Yes. Okay, it is going to return two list objects. So it will be accepted in the form of a tuple, sir. So it is going to print. Let me run this code, you will get clarity. Sir, n1 value 10, n2 value 20. You can see we got a tuple. In that, first object is even elements, second object is odd elements. Can I print these values one by one? Yes. For each I value. Okay, so in function n1 comma n2, when you pass n1 and n2, it is returning two values. Each and every value I want to print. That's all, sir. Now it is going to return in the form of so one by one. These are nothing but even objects, I mean even elements. These are nothing but odd elements. Like that, we can able to generate even number of elements and odd number of elements from this. Everyone feeling comfortable up to this? Please confirm. Sir, everyone please respond. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the next program, 7th program. See, I want to generate some 10 random values. 10 random values. Okay. So generate 10 random values and return in the form of list. Sir, I want to generate some 10 random values and I want to return in the form of a list. For that, already we have a random module is there. From that we can do. Sir, very simple. I'm taking a function. So this function will take care each and everything, and that function is going to return some number. That is nothing but 10 random values. I'm creating one empty list for each I value in the range of 11. So or 0 to 10. It is going to run how many times? 10 times it will run. Every time, sir, L dot append of, do you know there is one module is there with name random? There is one module is there with name random. In that random module, there is one function is there called randint. You can provide which random values you need. Suppose consider I need 3-digit random values. Sir, 3-digit random values are starting from 100, okay, and it will take up to 999. So I'm selecting one random value and I am appending it to the list. At last, I will return that list. How many times that append operation is going to work? 10 times. So it will generate 10 random values. Just I'm importing that random. Now you can see, sir, is it the 10 random values came or not? But runtime to runtime, you can expect different values. Why? Because it is related to the random numbers. You can't expect the same values again and again. Okay, this is nothing but the concept what we have. Okay, so I think you are very clear with this example, sir. Please confirm, is it clear up to this whatever I covered?
Yes.
Right. Next program, sir, 8th program, listen carefully. Sir, I want to swap first element. I want to swap first element and last element in the list. Sir, we need to swap first element and last element. Let us see how you can do that. Sir, can I read a list from the user? Yes, I am asking enter list of elements. Enter list of elements. And how to swap, sir? Simple. I'm not going for any function. Directly I'm changing. Sir, can I take L of 0 first element, L of -1 last element is equal to L of -1 comma L of 0. Sir, since it is mutable, automatically that modifications will be reflected. Assume these are the elements which I am giving. Sir, are you seeing the first element is a 10, last element is a 50 before performing this swapping? But after doing that, first element is 50, last element is nothing but a 10. Like that we have. I think everyone got clarity with this simple program, sir. So next program, I want to perform reverse a list. So reversing a list. Sir, I can go for this program in two ways. What is the first way is nothing but, do you know, we can do the reverse manual, like L dot reverse. If you take like this, what will happen, sir? Automatically all these elements will be reversed or not? Yes, this is nothing but I can say version 1. Version 1 is nothing but this one. Sir, what is the second version? Sir, if you want, you can do manually. How to do that? Sir, previously I explained one logic, right? How to swap the first element and last element I explained. Can I do like that? If you want, have a look once. If my list contains some elements like 10, 20, okay, so 30, 40, 50, like this. So what I am doing is, I will maintain one pointer here and one pointer here. I will interchange these. Then I will move this pointer to here and I will move this pointer to here. I will interchange these two. Okay, I will move this pointer here and I will move this pointer here. I will interchange these two. And this pointer will come here and this pointer will go here. If they are crossing each other, I will stop. Sir, beginning we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So now I think we have Sir, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Sir, is this concept, is it clear? Don't worry, I will write the program. Is the concept is clear? Guys, please respond. Here I am taking 2 pointers. One is a left pointer, okay, left pointer which is pointing to 0, and a right pointer. Sir, how you can find out the right index? Left index, right index, something like that I can take. Instead of left, better to take L index. So R index. What is the right index? Length of the list, okay, -1. We have to modify these two. Sir, I will write a loop until this left index is less than right index. Sir, what we are going to do? You are taking L of left index value is replaced with right index value, and L of right index comma L of left index. Like this we are updating. After that, left index is equal to left index plus 1. Right index is equal to right index -1. That's all, sir. Now, is the elements are interchanged or not? L is not defined. Do you mean L? But I think here I have taken small l, but in the program I have used capital L. That is the mistake. If you are having doubt, let me give one more element so that you can get clarity. Yes, this is the way, sir, how you can do the reversing of the list in the second version. Sir, everyone feeling comfortable up to this, whatever I covered, please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Right. So the next one, the next program number 10. What is this program here is, sir, do you know, I want to find out maximum element in the list, sir. I want to find out maximum element in the list. How to find out a maximum element? There are two ways are there. What is the first way, sir? I think you know already. You can write a function called, you can directly call max of L. Sir, what is the second way? What is the second way? So we can define a manual function to do this. Okay. Sir, how you are going to apply this? Let us have a look once. I'm going to define a function. So it is a taking a list. I'm going to consider my maximum element is nothing but the first element. Okay, so that means if I have elements like 7 4, okay, so 3 2 9 something like this, 9 1 like this, I'm going to take the maximum element is a 7, and I will start comparing with the next element. Sir, is that a maximum? Is it less than when compared with 4? No. Then take the next element. Is that a maximum is less than when compared with 3? No. Take next element. Is that element is less than, max is less than that element? No. Then take the next element. Sir, 7, is it less than the max? Yes. That means 7 is not max, 9 will become max. Then max got updated. 9 is less than 1. No, condition not satisfied. So after completing all the elements, what is the maximum value, sir? 9, right? That is the step what I'm going to do. Now, for each I value in the range, sir, already 0th element is taken. Let us take from 1 to length of the list. Now, please compare, is that maximum value whatever you have, is it less than L of I? If it is less than L of I, can I take L of I will become max? That's all. At last, I am going to return that maximum. This is nothing but one way, sir. So now consider I'm giving the elements, okay, like whatever 7 4, okay, 7 4 3 2 9 1, 7 4 3 2 9 1, something like this I'm giving. Sir, what is the output? In both the cases, it is returning 9 only. In both the cases, it is returning 9 only. This is the way how you can able to find out maximum element. Sir, if you know this approach, calculating minimum element also is very easy task. Okay, I want to calculate a minimum element. How you can do? Sir, simply in the place of MA, I am taking MI. So here also MI. Okay, is it greater than? So MI and return MI. And here also we don't have max function. We have min function for calculate. Same example I will give. So you can see both are returning the value called 1. Like that we have. Sir, I think you got the clarity how you can able to find out maximum element and minimum element present in the list. Everyone feeling comfortable up to this whatever I covered, friends?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Let's see if let's consider this minimum element. If there are duplicates like 1 and 1.
The first occurrence it is going to return.
Okay. Okay. Then second lowest will be.
Yeah, I will explain, sir.
Okay.
Clear up to this?
Sir, in a min function or max function, may I know how the max keyword or max function will be was implemented in Python?
So this
Can we
question,
see the code? Can we
No,
see
no.
the code behind the max function?
Because these are libraries, right? Already the code has been developed. We can't see. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, but I will explain in the sorting techniques. I will explain how this sort method is implemented. Okay.
Okay, sir. Until now it's clear, sir.
Right. So next one, sir. Next one, sir. Do you know? I want to find. Okay, I want to find second maximum element in the list. Sir, I want to find out second maximum element. How to find second maximum? Sir, suppose consider I have a list is there. Okay. So better instead of reading the list, okay, let it be. Enter list of elements. Sir, I'm going to print the list. Anyway, we can't find right. Min function is going to find out a minimum, but it won't find the second minimum. But for this, we can do one activity like sorted of L. Okay. So we have sorted of L, which is going to return a list of sorted elements in ascending order. So if you want to get first maximum, which is available at the last location. If you want a second maximum, can I take -2? Because it is going to return a sorted list with the descending order, ascending order. So maximum element will be available at -1. Second maximum means what? -2. Like that we can take. This is one approach. Second approach, I am passing a list. Okay. Now we have to find out second maximum element and let us see what will happen. Okay. Now please listen carefully, sir. Do you know if not a list, that means if the list is empty, I'm going to return none because there is no elements, right? So in such cases, it is going to return empty. Then maximum element is equal to, I'm going to consider L of 0 is the maximum element. Okay. And we know how to find out maximum element, right? Second. Sir, 1 second. Yeah. Yeah, maximum element is equal to something, but before that we need to check one more condition. If the list is not there, at the same time, if the length of the list is okay, better less than or equal to 1, in such cases I will return none. Okay, I think we can remove this. If the length of the list is containing 1 or less than 1, second maximum we can't find. That's why it is going to take like this. Sir, now what will happen? I'm going to find out maximum element is equal to. How you can find maximum, sir? Can I take previous function help? Can I take this function help? Yes. Let us define this function, sir. Okay, sorry. Let us define this function as a helper function I have. Sir, I'm calling this a helper function by passing the list. Definitely it is going to return maximum element, but we need to find out second maximum. Sir, what I'm going to do is second maximum is equal to initially. Okay, initially my second maximum is equal to none. My second maximum is equal to none. Let me take parallel example, you'll get clarity. Sir, I have 5. Okay, next and after that 2, next and after that 1, next and after that 3, next and after that 4, like that we have. I want to find out the second maximum. Sir, we got a maximum element. What is the output that we got? 5. 5 is the maximum as of now. Now, second maximum, I'm going to take it as a none. None. We don't have any second maximum as of now. Next, for each and every element present in the list, take every element starting from the first element. Sir, is 5. 5 is the first element. And we are going to check, sir, is I value is not equal to the maximum element. Sir, what is the first element that we have? 5. Sir, is it not equal to maximum? No, it is equal to maximum. Definitely 5 is not our result, because we know, right, we are calculating for second maximum, but it is the maximum. Definitely it won't be our result. Then take the next element, which is nothing but 2. Sir, is 2 is not equal to second maximum? Yes. Then what I am going to do is, again we are going to check one more condition. Sir, is that the second maximum is equal to none? Yes. Then second maximum will become that element whatever we have. Sir, if second maximum is not equal to null, second maximum will become, sir, maximum of sir, second maximum comma I. Otherwise you can write a condition. Sir, I want to return which one? Second maximum. When, sir, if second maximum value is greater when compared with I, otherwise we are going to return I. That's all. At last we have to return the value of second maximum. Sir, I will explain this code. Please listen carefully. So the second element I have taken. Sir, is it not equal to maximum? Yes. Second maximum is what? None, sir. Is it equal to none? Yes. Then second maximum will become 2. Perfect. Sir, now next element I am going to select 1. Okay. Sir, is it not equal to max? Yes. Is the second maximum is equal to none? No. Then we are comparing. Second maximum is 2. Is it greater than 1? Yes. Then second max will become second maximum. Wait. Take the next element 3. Sir, is it not equal to max? Yes. Is second max is equal to none? No. Second max will become already available. Second max is greater than 3? No. That means I will be assigned. What is I value, sir? 3. 3 will become second max. So then we are taking the next element. Is it not equal to maximum? Yes. Is second maximum is equal to none? No. Sir, second maximum, is it greater than this particular? No. That means I value will be assigned. It will become 4. Sir, all the elements got completed. The value which is available in the second max will become our result. Sir, everyone got clarity about this particular diagram, sir? Please confirm.
Sir, I have doubt. If one doubt is if there will be a duplicate, suppose 4 2 times is there. Okay, and another one is why we are taking second maximum is equal to none. So these two I have doubt.
Sir, if duplicates are there, always it is going to take whether first element or last occurrence. That is not required as of now. Why? Because if duplicates are there, definitely we are going to consider in a same manner. Because if you have one more 4 is there, what will happen? It is going to take 4 is greater than 4. Definitely it is false. It will take this one as the maximum. So first occurrence it is going to return always. Got it? When we have a duplicate elements,
Mm.
it will concentrate only on the first occurrence. Please remember this point in everywhere. Okay.
We may
Second-
use set data structure in a first approach.
No, sir. Why set concept? Why came into the picture?
Or removing duplicate element. In the
Sir,
first
he-
approach, I'm talking about. Sir.
No. This
Here
is
our
normal.
your task is to find out a second maximum element from the list. I am not at all talking about the duplicates. Whether duplicates are there or not, forget about that. Sir, don't create any confusion. Duplicates concept, just keep ahead. Duplicate means what? If two numbers are same, I want to find out maximum of two elements. The two elements are same. Then what will happen, sir? Definitely false case will be executed. False case means what? Both are same numbers only, right? Then there is no issue at all. So delete that concept from your mind. So what about that duplicates are there means in the sorting algorithms I will explain. Don't keep any confusion. Okay.
Got it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, here you are using func and helper. That means it's an indirect recursion.
No. It is not a direct recursion. It is not.
Indirect.
No, sir. It is not at all a recursion. First of all, recursion means what? A function which is calling by itself. Here we have a function one. Here we have a helper function. Helper function is defined somewhere. It will finish the task and it will come to here. There is no recursive calls.
Okay, got it.
Any other queries? Right. Let us run this code, sir. Let us run this code and check whether it is working or not. Now you can see, sir, second maximum is nothing but 7. But it is not returning in the second case. Why? Because so we are calling fun. We are calling this and something is wrong here. Can you please cross check where the problem is coming? The second function, it is directly returning the maximum, not second maximum. First of all, is the helper function is returning correct value? No, helper function is returning 1 because I think helper function is not maximum, it is minimum because we changed in the previous program, right? That's why. Now is it working? Yes. So we can remove that call. That's all. This is the way how you can able to find out second maximum element from the list. Sir, same process you can apply for second minimum also. Okay. How to calculate for a second minimum? The same program, few modifications we have to do. So first find maximum element. So 13th program, find the second minimum element. How to do that, sir? Just a small modification here. Sorted. Can I take 1? Yes. Then so helper function here we need to find out the minimum value. And here so minimum element we are going to find out. Second minimum element will become none. And if I is not equal to minimum element, then if second minimum element is equal to null, second minimum element will become 1. Otherwise your second minimum element will become second minimum when if second minimum is less than I. That's all. At last second minimum element we have to return. Sir, is it correct? Yes. First is the 1 is the first minimum and 2 is nothing but the second minimum. Like that we are going to get. Sir, are you clear with these 13 programs, whatever I covered till now? Clear, friends?
Yes, but we need practice.
Right. So thank you, sir. Remaining things anyway, tomorrow we will continue. Still some more programs are there, around some 15 programs are there. Mostly that we will wind up in the tomorrow's session. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I will upload the running notes now itself. You can download.